Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Waterfall City, Heliport, Midrand 2066, South Africa for R6,100,000. Farmstyle home with extensive views onto the green belt and a mere 5-minute walk to the world-class clubhouse gym restaurant is an absolute gem. Downstairs comprises of an open-plan gourmet kitchen with gas stove, separate scullery, pantry, lounge and dining room. All of the above enjoying reticulated gas underfloor heating. Over and above the center point bin a wood-burning fireplace. All of the above opening onto a covered veranda via aluminium stacker doors. Upstairs you have the main ensuite with a walk-through dressing area, full bathroom plus outdoor shower. There is a further 3 bedrooms upstairs with an additional full bathroom. All of the bedrooms open onto a wraparound balcony with extensive views onto the Jawitz River. Double automated garage, gardener's loop plus shower, inviting swimming pool with wraparound wooden decking are the finishing touches to this beautiful home. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.